When George Cadbury was starting to think about developing Bournville, he was actually quite clear about what he wanted to do. He bought up some land adjacent to the factory to start to develop his village. The housing was never only for the workers of the factory. Anyone could live in Bournville. Over time, the Cadbury family bought up bits of land all around Bournville. Their reasoning was if they didn't buy it and build on it, somebody else would. He was trying to demonstrate that with a bit of thought, you can design good, decent houses for ordinary people. Crucially, as part of the development, all houses would have a garden. He said he didn't want Bournville to consist of rows of terraces or rows of back-to-backs. He knew that would happen if anyone else bought the land. His vision for Bournville was all about open space, the fresh air, the gardens, parkways, but also community. So in the planning of the estate, he planned for the schools, the museums and the shops, and he wanted people to live there all of their life, if that's what they wanted to do. In fact, the Bournville Village Trust are now working with the Extra Care Scheme to provide homes for older people. When people come and live in Bournville, they stay for a long time.